Mom. Hi,
No, not again. If I see that mess one more time, I'll scream. If he doesn't use the laundry basket, I'll stop washing his clothes. Wait. What do you think you're doing? If he leaves dishes like that again, I'll charge him for the cleaning service. Time for Mama's hidden stash. Here you are. Come to Mama. What? No way. He won't see chocolate until Christmas if he sneaks into my stash again. If Mama feels like having a snack, no one will stop her. If he doesn't ask first, I won't feed him for months. A little me time. Let's shake off all the day's stress. Face mask should help.
Okay, guys. Move! Rotate zone. We're W King. No mercy.
If he keeps yelling like that, I swear I'll turn off the Wi-Fi.
Ow. We need high ground. Crank! Yes! That's it!